Hey, everyone! Today, I'm breaking down GitHub Copilot. What it is, how it really works, why it's a game changer for coders. Let's get right into it. Imagine you're writing code. You have a super smart buddy next to you, suggesting the next line, fixing bugs, writing entire functions. That's basically GitHub Copilot. But how? Copilot is powered by artificial intelligence, a model called Codex, created by OpenAI, the team behind chatgpt. It was trained on billions of lines of code from public GitHub repositories. When you start typing in your editor, like VS Code, Copilot reads your code, understands the context, and predicts what you might type next. Example: start a function to sort a list. Copilot can suggest the entire function, including edge cases and comments. It's autocomplete on steroids. The magic: Copilot doesn't copy-paste code. It generates code on the fly based on patterns learned from many real projects. It's learned the language of coding and speaks it fluently. Does Copilot always get it right? Not always. Sometimes suggestions are perfect. Other times you need to tweak or double-check for errors. Always review suggestions, especially for security and performance. Copilot isn't just for Python or JavaScript. It supports dozens of languages, TypeScript, Go, and even less common ones. Use it to write unit tests or generate documentation. What about privacy? Copilot doesn't share your code with others or send it back to GitHub. Your code stays private. But since it's trained on public code, suggestions can sometimes look familiar. Will Copilot replace developers? No. Think of it as a coding assistant. It helps you work faster, catch mistakes early, and learn new tricks. But it still needs your creativity, logic, and problem solving. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.